So guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure most of you must be thinking that uh, why there is a why these people are always on a boat ride. So yes, if you are staying in a lodge in Amazon forests, there is no other means of transport apart from a boat. So you want to go for trekking, you want to go for sightseeing, you have to take a boat or walk through the jungle.
Yo pensé que ayer.
We don't go to see this is the Cuyabeno River, okay? We'll take it a canoe in here. Then it's come like this and zigzag, yeah? Okay, what are you doing now? You want to go walk from here and to the other lodge. So this is approximately around 3 hours or maybe 2 more hours from here to the lodge.
Yeah.
You don't go come back this way. Our compromise is from here to go back to right in the lodge. Our lunch is 1 o'clock p.m. Not 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Tranquil, be happy. No,
We have to walk quietly without asking any question.
A ver, so parasite, take it. Very simple. Maybe the other guy they don't ask like this. I'm to learning, I'm to study biology, for example. No. Okay, so this is the same to como es citronelle. You know citron? Living 100 and 100 ants. And during the night, this ant is a pattern. One more time.
Look what we can
This? Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Look, 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 look. The idea is, please, we try to go put. Muy delicioso como la Coca-Cola, you know, como la Coca-Cola.
No.
Why no? Come on, you have it the last chance. Why not? You can do it.
Come on, me.
Wait,
Let me shoot it. Shoot it.
Put your turn. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no?
It's good.
It's good.
No.
Come on, why not? It's your turn now. You have it with me.
Lick.
Vamos ahí, dale.
You have to just lick, okay? Lick.
A ver, niños, vamos.
Split? How is it?
Yeah.
Good? Want to taste?
Una vez más, a ver.